Happy Valentine's Day! I hope you get plenty of flowers and pancakes in bed today. And I hope the guys get pancakes too, because honestly, gender norms suck and we shouldn't have them at all. Now, don't get me wrong, I think girls should also get pancakes as well. I think everyone should get pancakes in bed, honestly. Logically, I don't know how both you and your partner would have pancakes in bed if both of you stay in bed, because then no one can make them, but it's not my job to figure that out. It is just my job to bring you the real estate news, so let's get to that. We have 19 new listings this week, and nothing came back to the market at all, which is a lot less than last week with a 24% decrease, and that sucks, but it is still higher than what January was giving us, so I'll take it, I guess. Only 19% of offers had conditions on them this week, with 4 conditional deals and 17 other sold homes. Now, we didn't have any price fluctuations this week at all, which was a little surprising to me, and we did have a good mix of properties leaving the market as well, which is a bummer, with 5 canceled listings. And a lot of them were in the higher price brackets, which is interesting. It seems really daunting to a lot of people to get into the market right now, but I've had quite a few clients find success with looking at properties that are either off market entirely or sitting on the market for quite a while. And there are actually still a few. Properties that have been sitting on the market, sure, they need a lot more work, so get ready for some renovations here, but they have a lot more room for negotiation as well, and most importantly, it gets you into the home, so then you can start benefiting from all these rising price increases yourself. If you aren't afraid to get your hands dirty, there are actually some decent deals still out there. I cannot believe I made that transition work at the beginning of the video, but I hope you have a very great start to your week, my friends. Call somebody today and tell them you love them just because you can. And as always, I'll see you right here again next time.